Your Majesty, take a look at this.
What is it?
Just watch it. Someone sent this to me now. See. Just look at this well. She's really on high drugs.
So this is true.
Iwe, see. Watch. You will see some white particles in her nose.
Who sent it to you?
I don't even know the person's number.
You have a call.
Yeah, hello. What? My son? Where, please? I will be there. Oh.
What happened?
Your brother is in the hospital.
Mother, what really happened?
I don't know. He just said we should come to St. Charles Hospital immediately.
Go with your daughter.
Mom, let's go. Let's go. Please.
Get my car key. Okay, Mom, please. Hey! Never fast! Hey!
She's a drug addict. She's a drug addict. She's hot and bad. I think we're very risky. Very risky. She's a drug addict. Blind love. Blind love. Blind love. Blind love. Opposite guinea culture. Guinea beware. A guinea gonna try. Guinea culture.
Where are you going?
Daddy, I'm going to Port Harcourt. I have an emergency.
You are traveling to Port Harcourt to do what? What are you doing with a gun?
Dad. Like I said, I have an emergency. I'm going to Port Harcourt. A friend of mine asked me to come over. I have something to tidy. As for the gun, it's registered. It's for protection.
Give me that gun.
Dad, it's registered.
You are not leaving this place with this gun.
Okay, can I keep it in the drawer? Oh, Daddy!
What is all this? Why the haste?
Daddy, stop! Daddy, why did you seize my car key and my bag? I told you I'm going to Port Harcourt.
But you told me you were going by air, not by road.
Oh, I said that?
Yes, you did.
It was a mistake. Daddy, please, I need to travel, please.
You are staying with me in this house.
Daddy, stop! I need to travel!
Young lady, are you Miss Lucy Oranugo? Yes, she's my daughter. Well, my name is Inspector Wale from State Headquarters. My colleague here is Corporal Paul. You are under arrest for the murder of Miss Nkole and attempted murder on Prince Udona.
Lucy, you mean you murdered your friend and also attempted to kill the prince? Oh, Lucy. What have you done? Who asked you to do it?
Well, you have the right to remain silent. So whatever you say or do here will be used against you in the court of law. Please. Move it. Please, London, let's go.
Lucy. I'm finished. Move it! My daughter. My daughter, I'm finished.
So, it is true that Lucy has been finally arrested.
It is good for her. Thank God for exposing that arrogant girl.
This kingdom would have been in trouble if the prince had married her.
Exactly. I'm happy it didn't work.
So now, do you think the king will allow the prince to marry Mercy?
I don't think so.
Me too.
Please let us go before the queen will think that we've wasted time.
It's true. Let's go. Let's go.
You sent for me, Your Majesty.
Yes. I spoke with the CP. The girl and my mother will be released tomorrow morning.
Honestly, Lucy gave me the shock of my life. Our son would have been a dead man, if not for the intervention of the neighbors.
It's a useless girl. God just exposed her.
Your Majesty, we need to compensate Masinachi of the girl and her mother.
You are right. Our son will be out of hospital tomorrow since the bullet wound is not life-threatening. He will bring them here.
No. Your Majesty, I suggest Sarah should go. Let her go get them. She knows their house. I would like my son to rest once he's back from the hospital. Please.
It's all right. Tell Sarah to prepare.
Your Majesty, I have a request.
Go ahead.
Please, can our son marry any girl of his choice?
Granted.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Majesty.
You're welcome.
This love will go by heart. I'll go beyond it. Oh, sorry. Oh, you're the oh, sorry. Oh, you're well,
This is not the road to our community. Where are you taking us to?
To our house.
Your house?
Yes. Why your house? My father said he wants to see you both.
Your father?
Yes, my father. Don't worry, he's a nice man, okay? You don't need to be scared. Come on, don't worry.
Why does he want to see us?
I don't know, but he wants to see you. He's a nice man, don't worry. Okay? Come on.
Your sister told me what happened to you.
But I'm fine now.
Good afternoon, my prince.
Welcome to my house.
Thank you, my prince.
Your parents.
Good afternoon, Your Majesty. Good afternoon, my queen.
You're welcome.
Teresa.
Do you know her?
Is she your daughter?
Yes, she is.
What is going on?
It's your father.
What?
What? Who is her father?
Dad.
Your Highness.
She's right.
You.
Jeez. Wait, are you trying to tell me that Mercy is my sister?
Yes, she is.
It seems you don't remember me.
No way. Can't remember meeting with you.
I was in your salon last week and I lost my direction and you gave me the right directions.
Oh, hold on a bit. Were you the guy?
Yeah.
Oh, really? I remembered now.
Wow. So what's a beautiful girl like you doing on that is awesome?
Oh, what? Oh, thanks for your care. I'm actually waiting for my cab.
A cab? Come on. Can you grant me the favor of being your cab man for today?
Oh, you can't be serious.
It's just today.
Are you serious?
Yeah, very serious.
Fine. If you insist.
Alright. This way.
Never lose yourself. This love I got up line. This love I got up line. This love I got up line.
Wow.
Thank you very much. I really do enjoy the accent today.
Okay. Tomorrow is my friend's birthday. I don't know, would you like to come with me to the party?
I can't say for now. But just give me a call tomorrow first.
Okay, Teresa. But can I tell you something?
Sure, you go ahead, I'm with you.
I can no longer hide my feelings for some time now. I don't know, the fact is that I'm in love with you. I don't know. Will you marry me?
God. It's just a few weeks ago we met. Don't you think it's too early to ask me of marriage? Besides, you don't even know anything about me. And I don't even know you too well too.
My dear, that is not a problem. What matters is true love. Okay? I find out that I can't do anything without you. Please marry me.
Okay, can we just leave this conversation for now, please?
Okay.
Thank you.
But I just wanted to bear it in mind that I really like you. Like, please don't disappoint me.
Noted, I've heard you. Can we now go?
Alright.
Yeah, Udoka, please can I see you now? Yes, now, it's very urgent. Yes. At the usual spots now. I'm already there. Okay, please hurry.
My God. What have I done to myself? Dikeh is the only man I ever knew. Why did I accept to follow him to that party? He must have taken advantage of me that night. Oh God, I have ruined my life.
Baby, you sounded worried on the phone. What's the problem? Talk to me.
How was I supposed to know that you would do this to me?
You still haven't said anything. How will I know what you're talking about?
You don't know what I'm talking about. You don't know, right? Take it. This is what I'm talking about.
Is this for real?
Are you asking me or you're asking the lady?
Come, Teresa. If this is a joke, just stop it. It's not funny. I don't find it funny.
What joke? What joke are you talking about? I am pregnant for you and you're here making jest about it.
No, it's okay. That's not the problem, okay? I will take care of it.
Take care of what?
Like, I'll marry you. Yeah, I will. I'll marry you, okay? That's not the problem, okay? It's okay. It's okay. Come on, smile. Smile for me. Come on, let's go.
I left town after our last meeting because I was afraid what my parents would do to me if they discovered about the pregnancy. I'm so sorry I acted so childish. When I realized my mistake, I tried to locate you, but no luck.
This is unbelievable.
I told my wife about the pregnancy. Please forgive me. I will make it up to you.
How possible is it to forgive you? You kept me in this condition.
No, my action must have caused you so much pain. Please, find a place here and to forgive me. I will make it up to you, please.
The only way you can make it up to my mother is by marrying her. I beg your pardon. Did you not know that he is the ego of this community? I am sorry, my queen. I am sorry to disrespect you. The king's action is the reason my mother is still single till date. She's refused every suitor simply because of what the king did to her. My queen, put yourself in her shoes. Is it fair?
You are not going anywhere. Take them to the visitor's room. I will see them there. So far. I'm sorry. It was my past mistake. Please.
Your Majesty, go ahead. Do what you have decided.
You know, it is not possible for me to take a decision without you. You are part and parcel of whatever decision I'm going to make on this matter.
I beg your pardon. Do not involve me in this. It's written all over you. You're so excited you have found your S and her daughter.
Well, you are not far from the truth. But now that I found her, do you want me to drive her away?
Fine. Fine. Do as it pleases you.
You are my beloved wife. I love you so much. I love you for your act of generosity. You are the one who blamed me when I told you the story of a woman I abandoned with her 3 months pregnancy. Now that I found her, do you want me to take her daughter and drive her away? Please.
I never said that, Your Majesty.
Your action speaks full. It's written all over you. The mistake has already been made. Think about this. If you were in my position, will you just take the girl and drive away the mother? Tell me.
Which was why I said, do as it pleases you, Your Majesty.
You are my wife. I need your consent on this matter. Please, let's reason together. Accept this girl, Mercy, as your daughter. And her mother as your sister. Please. You know I can never share the love for you with another woman. It's not possible. Please, it's not possible. Allow them to stay, please.
Stay as what? I ask you, Your Highness, as what? As a second wife, or what? Your Highness, do as you have decided already.
Which is I leave me. Do whatever thing you want to do.
Let's go. Let's go inside. Let's go. This is amazing. Masisolo, this is beautiful. I'm happy I found you and your mother.
Thank you, Your Highness.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Today is a great day in the life of my family and this kingdom. Our loved ones who have not been with us for a long while are here reunited with us. Just permit me to make this pronouncement that henceforth, Mercy and her mother Teresa are part and parcel of this great family.
Thank you, Your Highness.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Her Majesty.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you, my prince.
It's okay. You're welcome, my sister.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
This love I got blind. This love got up line. I put a kiss where the goes amazing. This love got up line. I put a feel gone
What a small world. Onye menu